Today, we are diving into Glam AI, the beauty app that uses artificial intelligence to help you try makeup looks and find your best shades. Glam AI is a virtual makeup assistant that uses artificial intelligence to recommend makeup looks, match your skin tone, and simulate beauty styles directly on your photos. It's designed to help you try new looks without actually applying anything, perfect for experimenting with glam, skincare, and everyday makeup. Personally, I'd give Glam AI a 3 out of 5 stars. It's a beautiful app on the surface. The concept of virtual makeup, personalized shade recommendations, and AI-powered try-ons is really appealing, especially for anyone who loves experimenting with looks. But once you start using it, the flaws become hard to ignore. The surprise charges after selecting a free trial felt misleading, and needing to buy coins even after subscribing just doesn't sit right. Let's take a look at what real users are saying about Glam AI on the Play Store. User Review 1. 2 stars. It used to be way better. I had a Pro account and most images were free. Now I need coins for everything and Pro doesn't include what it used to. User Review 2. 1 star. Extremely buggy. I paid for the year but haven't had a single output. It crashes constantly when uploading selfies. User Review 3. 2 stars. Why do I have to pay for Pro and still buy coins? Plus, I need to upload 10 to 15 photos just for one effect? Not convenient at all. Watermark didn't even go away after paying. So here's my honest take. Glam AI sounds great on paper, AI makeup previews, cool effects, but the execution has really let people down. From these reviews, it's clear users feel misled. Paying for Pro used to give real value, but now it feels like you're locked into a paywall loop. Subscribe, then buy coins, then upload a bunch of photos just to see results. And if the app doesn't even work reliably, crashing, freezing, and failing to remove watermarks, it turns excitement into frustration. Personally, I expected more from an app in this space. There's potential, but right now, it just doesn't deliver. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit like for more honest app breakdowns.